Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making yummy chicken pizza. In a bowl I will add 1 glass of milk, it's lukewarm, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of yeast. We are going to mix it together nicely. We're going to use a whisk. Once everything is well combined and sugar is dissolved, we are going to cover it for 10-15 minutes. After 15 minutes we are going to uncover it and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We will add it little by little, not all at once. We're going to mix it and then we're going to add again until we form a thick dough. While mixing everything, we're going to add half teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg and a couple tablespoons of butter. We're going to mix everything together. We are going to need soft dough with it. We're going to punch it, mix it, make sure everything is well combined. A few minutes of kneading, it should come together. You should be able to make a ball with it. We're going to make it rest for an hour. In a saucepan, I will add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going to melt the butter, and once it's melted, we are going to add 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, thinly chopped, and we're going to cook it until you can smell the fragrance of garlic. After 30 seconds to a minute, we are going to add 1 pound of thinly sliced chicken. We are going to cook it until the chicken changes its color. Meanwhile, we are going to mix all the spices. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and about half teaspoon of crushed black peppers. We are also going to add half teaspoon of crushed red chilies. We are going to mix everything together. Once you see the chicken has changed its color, we are going to add all the spices that we mixed earlier, and we are going to cook it until it becomes like a thick sauce. Once it thickens and you see oil separating from the chicken, we are going to dish it out into a bowl. We are going to use every bit of it, so we're going to add all the toppings other than chicken into the oil and mix everything together and take them out in a bowl. Now let's uncover the dough and take it out of the bowl. We are going to roll it, dust some dry flour and roll it as thick as you want and as big as you want. Once you're happy with the thickness, you're going to transfer it onto the baking tray. I'm going to spray it with some olive oil. You can use any oil you like, and then we're going to transfer it and kind of try to make the corners like the pizza people do, but if not, then that's also fine. Now let's add the first layer. You can use pizza sauce, but I'm using chili garlic sauce. Then you're going to add your cheese and your chicken, and then we are going to be adding the greens or any vegetables you would like. And once you are done, we're going to top it with lots and lots of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And last but not least, we are going to be adding some oregano leaves, and we're ready to throw it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to open the oven and look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, it's ready to eat. Let me show you how it looks. We are going to cut it first, and then we will be adding the chicken oil that was left, and this added so much more flavor to the pizza and it tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.